Okay, good day. The complete Autocad training course, two-dimensional and three-dimensional, 2D and 3D. Lesson 1, I am Dr. Edwin R. Arboleda, Doctor of Engineering from Cavite State University, Philippines. Your background why I am qualified to teach this course is the one I am teaching you here is the one I learned from an Autocad training school back in 2002. So it's almost 20 years now that I'm using this software. I have taught this the Autocad software drawing to the past 20 years, be it in a basic drawing course or in outside plant design. We use this AutoCAD in drawing towers. I am an electronics engineer by profession. And imagine drawing towers, cellular towers manually. So if you are not good in drawing, you are not talented in drawing, it could be a very difficult thing to do, but the AutoCAD is the equalizer. Even if you're not gifted with a steady hand in drawing, but you have AutoCAD, you will be equalized. The skills will be equalized. So let's go to our lesson proper. Lesson 1, draw commands. This is from my handouts during the training that I am talking about, telling that the first thing learn is how to use the mouse. If you are using a laptop, it is not advised to use the what do you call that in laptop, where you enter it's not, it is advised that you will use a mouse if you are using AutoCAD. So there are two types of mouse, that button mouse. This is the left button and the right button. The left button is used for pick button. Left button or button number 1 is for pick button. The right button or called the enter button. You pick the object using left button and enter where you want to put it. Button number 2 or the right button. If you are using a 3-button mouse, same. The right mouse is the pick button. The left mouse is the pick button or the button number 1, and the right mouse button is the enter button. And the middle button or the button number 2 is the OSNAP button. The OSNAP is a very powerful features of the AutoCAD, which I will demonstrate and which I will demonstrate later. OSNAP button. So let's go to our first lesson, the draw commands. Draw the line. Go to our AutoCAD. You can see here that I'm using AutoCAD 2002. It's not very different from the newest version. There is different version every year. For AutoCAD, there is a different version every year, and they are changing. But if you will use my technique, the command line technique, Again, the command line technique is applicable to any version. Whatever version you are using, if you use a command line technique, it's still applicable. So let's draw a line. The command is in type line, the whole word line, and again, the command line is commanding you where do will you want to put the first point. I want first point here. And now the command line is commanding the user specify the next point. So I'll specify the next point. Again, command line, put your command in command line, so command the user. You can see here that I activated the OSNAP button. It's now on. The purpose of the OSNAP is to pinpoint. Demonstrate later. For example, I want to draw a line again. Line. Want to draw a line that is at the end point of this line. Line or L, enter. Specify the first point. So if the OSNAP is on, it will point you to the end point. Specify the next point from the command line. Again, the OSNAP is on, so it will point to the end point. If the OSNAP is off, okay, let's use a command. If the OSNAP is off, you need to do it manually. Okay. Line, first point, second point. Again, I want to draw a line from here to this point up to this point. The OSNAP is off. Line, specify the first point. You need to pick. So there is no indicator when the OSNAP is off. It will be a lot easier if the OSNAP is on. So we will tackle this later. Another topic. The topic for later. So you can also draw a shape or polygon using the line command. Specify the first point. Want to draw a triangle. Next point. One. And want to close it. To make sure that it is closed, command C. Again, align, draw a shape. I want to close it. How you if you want to erase, all that shapes. I want to erase all of this. So I enter in the command line. Select objects, all. Okay. So let's back to line. Again, you can type L, first point, next point, one. Align, first point, type word line or L as a shortcut. Undo. You can use the for the icon. And I prefer not to use icon. Prefer the command. I will not endorse using the icon. So it is also another technique. Want to draw a line using this icon, but I prefer the command line technique. Again, the advantage is different versions might have a different icon, and the position of this icon are different from different versions. In different versions, I prefer the command line. I have used the newer version and still the same. AutoCAD 2000, 2005, 2010, 2021 version. I know that it's still the same. There is a difference in how you save the file more formatting. One of the difference I've seen version. AutoCAD has different version from every year. They change version. So let's go. We already know how to draw a line. Let's draw a point now. The command for point is PO, or shortcut for point. And we can see that the point is plus sign. Why is that? Oh, plus sign. Just follow the command line. PO, specify a point. Want to specify a point. So if you want to change the point style, use command DD type. Go to DD type. Originally, the point that we knew, this one, the dot. You can select the dot, the format, or the style, also the size. See, 10. Because it's a dot, we cannot see the difference, 5% and percent. But if we change it into this format, okay, then B type, we want to increase the point size 100. Let's try that. Very big. The default is 5%. The next one is divide. Divide. Want to divide this line 4 segments. Select object to divide. You select this line. Enter the number of segments. I enter 4. So now we have 4 segments. 1, 4. So it's important to change the style, because if it is a dot, we cannot see the division. So number of segments. So divide. I want to divide this line in 20 segments. Divide. divide this line in 80 segments. Again, divide this line, let's see, 1000 segments. So 1000 segments, but you cannot see that already. The next one is circle. Enter C for circle. Specify the center for a circle. Center point. I want to make a circle. The center point is this point. Circle. Specify the center point. I want to make a circle. Center point. Center point. Want to make a circle with the center at this end point of the line. Because the OSNAP is on uh, the cursor points to the end point of the line. So also, I want to draw a circle. Specify center point. This one. I want to draw a circle with a diameter. Specify radius. I want to draw a circle with radius of 50. So that is a circle with a radius of 50. So I want to draw a circle with a diameter of 100. So here, diameter. Type D, diameter 100. A circle with a radius diameter of 1. I want to draw a circle wherein it will touch this point, and I want to draw a circle which will pass through the center the three. How we do that? So we use 3P. Type 3P. First point is the center of the circle. Second point, the center of the circle. Third point, the center. That is drawing a circle using. So I want to draw a circle that will touch this one, also circle. Because circle 2P type for 2 points. First endpoint of the circle. So that's one disadvantage of OSNAP. Although it is the circle that I want to draw is touching the circle, the outside point of the circle, not the center. But if the OSNAP is on, it will suggest it is suggested that I draw a circle, and I don't want that. So to do, we deactivate the OSNAP circle. 2 points, 2p or 2 point. First endpoint, I was asked by the command line, where is the second point? Again, the OSNAP, some advantage. Well, let's look at our handout. The last command is, so I want to know the diameter of the radial or length of the line. We type Li for this. You type this. Want to select this line, and the length is the angle of the plane. That some all of the attributes of that line. So Li, want to know the circumference, radius, diameter of the circle. Select that object. Enter. Let's draw a line. Let's paste again the command for erase. Paste. Select objects. Let's pick this one. One. Also, let's turn on the up. I will draw a line here. So the advantage of the list, want to know the distance center of the circle to another circle. Another distance is type Li for list. The length of the line will tell you. That's all for lesson 1. For this lesson, we have learned commands, line, type, divides. I hope you learned something. See you in our next lesson.